Hello everyone, I want to share with you my bahay kubo. At the back, you can see that big trees. And there's one there, we called it Bignay. Or I don't know what they call that. It looks like a cherry, a tiny cherries. And it's beautiful and colorful. That's all folks, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless everyone.